Next exercise 2.1, third question. Verify that a plus b is equal to b plus a by taking a is equal to -3, b is equal to -7/12. Solution. Here verify that a plus b is equal to b plus a. This is LHS is equal to RHS. Substitute the a values and b value. -3 plus -7/12 is equal to -7/12 plus -3. First taking LHS. -3 plus -7/12. Here plus into minus 7/12. -3 is the integer value. First convert into rational values. -3/1 minus 7/12. Now check the denominator. Denominator is different. So taking the LCM. LCM is equal to 12 is equal to -36/12 minus 7/12. Taking the common denominator 12, -36 minus 7. -36 minus 7 is -43/12. This is the LHS value. LHS is equal to -43/12. Next RHS is equal to -7/12 plus -3. Plus into minus -7/12 minus 3. Now -3 is the integer value converted to rational values. -7/12 minus 3/1. Check the denominator. Denominator is different. So taking the LCM. LCM is 12. 7/12 minus 12. The common factor is 12. Multiplying both numerator and denominator, the answer is 36/12 is equal to, taking the common denominator 12, -7, -36, the answer is -43/12. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Next homework sum. Third question. Verify that a plus b is equal to b plus a by taking a is equal to -7/5, b is equal to 2/7. Second question. A is equal to 3/4, b is equal to -2/5. Third question. A is equal to -1, b is equal to -2/3. This is the homework sum. Next fourth sum. Exercise 2.1. Fourth sum. Verify that a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c by taking a is equal to -2, b is equal to -2/3, c is equal to -2/3. Solution. Verify that a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. LHS is equal to RHS. Substitute the values. A is equal to -2 plus b is equal to -2/3 plus c value is -2/3 is equal to, here -2 plus of b value is -2/3 plus c value is -2/3. Taking LHS. The value is -2 plus -2/3 plus -2/3. Here positive into negative, -2, -2/3 plus here also positive into negative, -2/3. Now taking these two values, here negative 2 is the integer, first convert to the rational numbers. Negative 2 by 1 minus negative 2 by 3 minus of 2 by 3. Here taking the LCM, 1 and 3 is, the LCM is 3. The common factor is 3, the LCM is 3, so you can multiply 3 both numerator and denominator. The value is negative 6 by 3 minus 2 by 3 minus of 2 by 3. Here taking the common denominator, negative 6 minus 2 minus 2 by 3. Negative 6, negative 2 is negative 8 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Here check the denominator is same, so taking the common denominator 3, the numerator is negative 8, negative 2 is equal to negative 10 by 3. This is the LHS. LHS is equal to negative 10 by 3. Next, RHS value is negative 2 plus of negative 2 by 3 plus negative 2 by 3. My negative 2 plus, here check the denominator, first plus into minus, minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Negative 2 plus, the denominator is same, taking the common denominator, negative 2, the numerator is negative 2, negative 2. The answer is negative 2 plus of negative 4 by 3. Now change the integer to rational values. Negative 2 by 1 plus into minus, minus 4 by 3. The LCM is 2 by 1 minus 4 by 3. Check denominator, denominator is different. Taking the LCM, LCM is equal to 1 comma 3 is 3. The denominator is 3, so you can multiply 3 on numerator as well as denominator. Here the answer is negative 6 by 3 minus 4 by 3. Check the denominator, denominator is same, taking the common denominator 3. The numerator is negative 6, negative 4. The answer is negative 10 by 3. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Homework sum, fourth question. Verify that A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C by taking A is equal to negative 3 by 11, comma B is equal to negative 7 by 8, comma C is equal to 13 by 5. Second question. A is equal to negative 12, B is equal to negative 9 by 11, C is equal to 7 by negative 12. This is the homework sum.